There's been a rash of OLED screen panel issues across the smartphone industry these last few years, where a green, pink, or white line appears to go up and down the screen. We've seen these photos time and time again, but now Samsung has officially added its Galaxy S23 series to that repair list. So if your phone passes an inspection by its technicians, then you could be eligible for a free screen replacement on your Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus, or Galaxy S23 Ultra. Let's take a look at the details. Some folks that have an OLED screen on their smartphone have noticed a line going up and down the display. Sometimes these lines are green or white, and other times they are going to be pink. And then in certain situations, we're actually seeing multiple colors on the screen like this. At the time, companies like Samsung and OnePlus have acknowledged these issues are caused by a faulty display panel, with these problems typically appearing when they get to be about 2 years old. And it had gotten so bad that OnePlus even started offering a lifetime warranty for this specific issue. That announcement caused Samsung to step up as well. But sadly, we are still seeing this hardware faulty issue. The Galaxy S23 series was launched in February of 2023. So it makes sense that 2 years from then, we are now starting to see these devices with the faulty line issues as well. And again, thankfully Samsung has seemingly stepped up. A screenshot recently published to X shows a conversation with a Samsung customer support representative in India. They are telling folks that as long as the phone was purchased within the last 3 years, as long as there has been no other physical damage, and as long as the device is able to pass an inspection from a Samsung technician, then you will be given a voucher for a free screen replacement to fix the issue. So far, we're told that this is going to be available for the entire S23 series, including the base model, the larger Galaxy S23 Plus, and the more premium Galaxy S23 Ultra. And again, this customer support rep was quoted from India, but I suspect that other regions will be honoring this offer as well, especially when you consider that this is such a widespread issue, lasting for many generations of hardware. I'm really curious to hear how many of you have started to notice this issue, be it with a Samsung device, a OnePlus device, or any others really. Be sure to let us know what the customer support representative told you, and tell us how the repair process went as well. And as always, please remember to give this video a like, because it really helps to keep me motivated here, and subscribe to the channel too, for more Android news content like this.